one-year results of this wonderful study that I got to be a part of, the viable disc tissue allograft supplementation and the treatment of degenerative intervertebral discs. We have our one-year data here today. And I had the honor of working with all of these brilliant minds in clinical research, so that was fantastic. It's actually fairly compelling about how well it can work, and not just necessarily in the intradiscal space, but there's even some data out, right, in osteoarthritis of the knees, and it clearly is not a placebo. So I think that's one of our big limitations here. The other thing is we had some, those that lost to follow-up made the powering of the study a bit of a challenge, so it lowered our numbers in our crossover group from our non-surgical management, so that also, I think, limited our powers here.